Hey guys, welcome back. A few of you were requesting me to do some advanced example solves, so in this video there will be 3 example solves from me, and the scrambles will be in the description. Let's see. So, I'm white only, so this will only be on white, obviously. And first thing I see on the scramble is not quite good. I do see this edge though, and I can insert it along with this green edge, and so I'll probably make an X cross out of this, but because this corner, which corresponds to this one, is attached to this edge, I would probably just detach it and move it to the top layer, and then solve these, and then for these I can just do F prime and solve this, and then finally do this. This is not very efficient, but also I noticed these two, so I would insert that into the back as well. And also we notice this is a pseudo pair, so actually we can do a triple X cross here, because by inserting that into the back, and now I'll only have to insert 2 corners like so. So normally I would insert this one like so, but that would be very bad for this corner for the orientation. So I do U2, insert like this, and then yeah, this will also be a very bad pair. So I would probably insert like this, and then rotate and solve these to the back. That was an unplanned triple X cross, but I think if I saw deeper into the F2L, I could plan 2 pairs, and probably the 3rd pair would just be spontaneous on the spot. And here, it's very crucial for you guys to, at an advanced level, to know which corner patterns for your OLLs are going to skip CP. So for example, for this OLL, if these two are opposite and these two are the same, the corners are going to be solved after you solve OLL, like so, and you can just go straight into EPLL. It's good to know some cases for that. Okay, that was the first solve. Next for the second solve, and by the way, I haven't seen the scrambles. They are randomly generated. This scramble's pretty good. We have this pair, and so, but this edge is stuck, which is not very good. We can deal with it. So there are 2 ways to do this. So if I was going for just pure efficiency, I would do something like U2 RB into the back. But if I was doing a real solve, I would probably do insert this and then do this, like inserting this at the back with wide R moves, because that would just be better for execution. And for these two, I also see these two, so I can just keep in the back of my mind about these two, and I can do U prime, because if I normally solve this edge, this will be broken up. So I do U prime and then F prime. And the reason I did F prime is because I would also pair up these two in the back, so I can keep in mind about those. And then solve cross, and I know these two, so I can just go straight into these. And I saw this edge in the back before, so I would just go straight into that one again, and then do a YD into the back, and then these two, and I see some pretty nice corner patterns. I can probably know what the OLL is now, like this case, because this block I know is not going to move, and this block's just going to move here, so I know what OLL it is. Now, there are 2 good OLLs for this case. One is this, just the lefty version, but if you do not like lefty moves, there's also a very good OLL for the right hand. It goes like this. That can be pretty fast, and just G prime. Okay, that's the second one. I'm going to do the third one. Again, randomly generated. Haven't seen these scrambles before. Okay, this one's a bit tough, I would say. I would just do normal cross and plan these two for my first pair. So obviously we have these, like so, and then D F prime. Set up these, and I would note these two. So I would do something like just D2 and then rotate and solve and pair up these, and I would notice these, like so, into the back. But I would first see this, and so, and then these. And of course I would, I know that these two are going to be paired up just because of intuition. This comes along the way if you just plan, look ahead, and F2L tricks and stuff like that. It comes with experience, and I would just insert like this or like this, but I can see the corner patterns, and I can see that this will be a better OLA. And here, if I'm not mistaken, this corner pattern will give me in a diac PLL, right, like so. I am not mistaken. And again, it helps to know when the CP is going to be solved on specific corner patterns and when it's going to be diac. So I would recommend at a higher level for each OLL, learn your alg, learn which corner patterns for your alg gives CP, and learn which corner patterns gives anti-CP, and learn another OLL CP alg for that alg, if you know what I'm saying. So like, for example, I know here it's going to be diac, and so I would learn another alg to resolve the diac to make it not diac for the PLL, because I know this alg for this case. So it's good to know 2 OLL algs for each case, just so you can avoid diac in your solves, and they'll just cheaper. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.